Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abby. I proudly welcome you to the Caribbean island of Anguilla. This morning, my dad is out there cleaning up a infested tree. I'm not too sure what is infested with. It's a Dounce tree here in Anguilla. I'll be right there, son. Here in Anguilla, there are lots and lots and lots of Dounce trees. And guys, the sweetest Dounce I've ever had. To be honest with you, those who have ever grown up in Barbados would know that Dounce is something that you cannot eat salt with. But here, you need absolutely nothing to Wendy. You need absolutely nothing to eat Dounce here in Anguilla. So this morning, I am in the mood for coconut water. So before I head out and help Dad with the cutting, I'm going to grab me a coconut, quench my hankering for coconut water and jelly, and go right there. Y'all all right? Sorry for that. Oh gosh, I hit your head. Sorry, sorry. Smart. So what was it blight then, Daddy? If you're saying it's not mealybug.
It's not Billy Bog, it's a blight, but it's,
Yeah, look like things flying out of it.
yeah.
And I like this fire today.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I just have to get some pieces of wood and
One year sour up tree, the precious sour up tree. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hi, Chad. Hi, Chad. I'm Abby.
he charges whoever knows. You have to introduce him to whoever comes. And like how you introduce him there, and I'm here, he ain't gonna have a problem with you. But you can't just come on your own and decide to come in the back here. Chance is going to charge you. Yeah, be taking a chance. He lives up his name.
All right.
Morning. How are you? Good. I'm glad you're here.
I have some sauce up there on the tree that I pick.
You pick it?
No, I ain't pick it yet.
No.
I no, because the two small ones still need darker.
Yeah, but you're not even going to get soft. If that soft, some don't get soft in the tree. You pick them?
No, come on. I can't never make me look chance to lose.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, don't pick it until you get soft in the tree. You know it.
So, what are some of the challenges of growing in Anguilla? What would you say are some of the challenges of growing in Anguilla?
In the water. Lack of rain.
Lack of rain,
Lack of rain. Little soil.
little soil. What about pest issues? Because you're now cutting down a tree here with a blight. What are some
This
of
is not a normal thing. This comes from the butterflies.
All right. You need to come on trap here. So what I'll do, I can hold it from this end, and you hold the branch, and we can take it up and put it over.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have like any pest attacking certain crop.
You will get some in the when the butterfly lay the eggs, you get the
Caterpillar.
caterpillar, the that type of thing.
Or you say about iguana.
Iguanas will come and eat your crop, yeah.
Just the other day we saw the crab. I think you said that the crab will eat your crops as well.
Yeah. It's not a whole, you know. There are areas in the solar craft proliferate closer to the beach.
Okay, which is where you are.
Not really. I don't
Okay.
consider the beach. I'm close to the beach, but not that close to create that kind of
Okay. Plus, you have this. What is this red thing? Because I started seeing it. What's that? You guys seeing it? It's shake off of the tree. What is
That's
that?
an indigenous bug to Anguilla.
I know about that because they're seeing that in Trinidad.
Yeah?
I seen it home.
Okay.
Oh God, why did I get off of it? I can't handle the bugs, you know. I can't handle the bugs.
And you can't like garden among bugs.
That ain't true.
Alright.
Gardening are bugs. They got beneficial and non-beneficial. Non-beneficial and me is no friend. I noticed that I didn't close off the last video, so here is the close off. So we finished cutting down that Dounce tree, and now we're heading for a walk. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.
Perfect.